Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it when your Steam game won't launch. This is a common issue, but don't worry, I'll walk you through each fix in a simple way that works for most games. First, make sure to restart Steam and your computer. Sometimes Steam or Windows just gets stuck in the background, and a simple restart refreshes everything. Close Steam completely by right-clicking the icon on your taskbar and selecting Exit. Then restart your PC, reopen Steam, and try launching the game again. You'll be surprised how often that alone fixes the problem. The other step you need to check is verifying your game files. Go to your Steam library, right-click the game that isn't launching, and click Properties. Then select the Installed Files tab and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan your game and automatically repair or replace any missing files. Once it's done, try opening the game again. This fix solves a lot of hidden errors. Another thing you can do is run Steam as an administrator. Close Steam completely, right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop, and select Run as Administrator. This gives Steam and your games full permission to access system files and prevents certain launch errors. After Steam opens, launch your game and see if it works. The next thing to check is your launch options. Sometimes incorrect commands stop games from opening. Right-click the game again, go to Properties, and look for the Launch Options box. Make sure the command you entered is correct. It should either be -windowed if you want the game in windowed mode, or -fullscreen if you want it in full screen. If you're unsure, just clear the box completely. And by the way, I have a full tutorial on my channel showing how to use Steam launch commands properly, so feel free to check that out. Another quick thing to try is turning off the Steam overlay. Right-click your game, open Properties, and uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Sometimes the overlay causes conflicts that stop games from starting, so disabling it can help. And finally, if nothing works, reinstall the game. Uninstall it from Steam, then reinstall it fresh. This resets every file to default, and in most cases your game will run perfectly afterward. That's it. Those are the best and easiest ways to fix a Steam game that isn't launching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Steam tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.